Hello students, good morning. Today we will start our next chapter, conservation of plants and animals. Conservation, there we will read about that how we can conserve our plant and animals, that how we can conserve our biodiversity, our ecosystem, how we can conserve. Conserve means that is a protect, that is a how we can protect our plant and animal in our future. Then there is a various variety of plants and animals with microorganisms living in particular region, that is called biodiversity. Then we should preserve, we should conserve our plants and animal for our future by reducing pollution, by keeping our environment healthy and clean. By using this term we can prevent these plant and animal. In this chapter we will read about the conservation of the plant and animal. Now first, in 7th class we have learned there is a diverse variety of the plant and animals, microorganisms in a forest. Similarly, there is a diverse variety of a plant, animal, microorganisms in a desert also. Then the diverse variety of plant, animal along with the microorganisms living in a particular region, that is known as the biodiversity. In other words, biodiversity denotes the richness of species in a particular area or habitat. The biodiversity of a desert, grassland and the rainforest all are very different from each other. About 10 million species of the organisms are estimated to inhabit the earth, although we actually know only 1 or 2 million of them. That is, the biodiversity is a group of the plant and animal in a particular region, that is a biodiversity. In this chapter we will learn about the cause of the loss of the biodiversity. Cause, that is why the biodiversity is loss. Now this time the consequence of the destroying the biodiversity. What will be result of the destroying biodiversity? If our animal and the plant will destroy, then what happen? And the step being taken to the conserve, and what step we can take to conserve them, to preserve them. Let us learn about some of the terms associated with biodiversity: species, ecosystem and habitat. Species, what are the species? Species refer to a group of organisms, plant or animals that have common characteristics, can be interbred among themselves. For example, Homo sapiens or human being form one type of the animal species. There is an example given: Homo sapiens and the human being form one type of the animal species. Ecosystem, various community of the living organism interact among themselves as well as with their physical environment like soil, air, water. For example, green plants interact with soil to get mineral and water, with air to get carbon dioxide for carrying out the process of the photosynthesis. An ecosystem, what is ecosystem? Is the made of the all plants, organisms, microorganisms in area, along with non-living components such as climate, soil, water, etc. It is relationship between the biotic community and the abiotic environment. Example or ecosystem are forest, desert, mountain, lake, a river, etc. That the ecosystem is a non-living term that having the plant, animals, microorganisms, all term that are having, that is a ecosystem, and it is the relationship between a biotic community and abiotic environment. And the example these are given: habitat, the natural environment of a plant and animal species where it lives and reproduces, is called its habitat. Habitat, that is the natural environment where plant and animal species are living. Importance of the biodiversity. Biodiversity includes a huge variety of plant and animals that live in a natural habitat and are mutually dependent. What are the importance of this biodiversity? that every components of the biodiversity from microorganisms to the huge animals like elephants plays an important role in the nature. In other words, biodiversity maintains the environment around us. We are also economically dependent upon biodiversity. We get a variety of food items, cloth items, and wood, medicines, oils from the variety of the plants. Why they are the necessary the biodiversity? Because they are from there we are getting so many items, that cloth items, medicines, oil, wood, etc. And we get food like meat, egg, leather from the animals, milk also. And that's why biodiversity is a necessary. Without this we can't get these different items. Cause of loss of the biodiversity. Why the biodiversity is a destroying? There is a different reason. Then first is a deforestation. Deforestation means cutting of the forest. Then due to this one there is a loss of animals and plants. The cleaning of the forest, cutting down forest over a wide area is called the deforestation. What is deforestation? That cutting of the forest, that is deforestation, had taken place due to the following reason: to build homes, factory, roads, dams for increasing human population, to obtain wood as fuel, and for making furniture and paper, and to obtain more agricultural land for the cultivation, for crop of the for the growing the population, for mining of minerals such as the coal, petrol, ores. All the above cause of the deforestation are the human-made cause. Yes, these are the done by the human beings. So we should preserve them. There are some natural cause of the deforestation also, like the forest fibers, several drought, that is a lack of water, and attacks of the insect and the pest. Overgrazing by the cattle, sheep, horse, etc. is another cause of the deforestation. The overgrazing is not only destroy the grassland but also the young trees of the forest also. Now consequences of the deforestation. Due to deforestation there is soil erosion is take place, that is soil infertile. Due to the gradual erosion of the fertile topsoil, the land get converted into the desert, and this is known as a desertification. And second is the cause of the global warming. If there will be deforestation is take place by increasing the deforestation, then the level of the carbon dioxide in our atmosphere will increase, and due to the increase of carbon dioxide, that is may lead the increase in the global temperature, which is the cause of the global warming. So global warming disrupt the water cycle, also reduce rainfall and cause the drought and melting of the glacier. It decreases the water holding capacity of the soil and cause the flood also. And the forests are natural habitat of the many species of animals. Cutting down trees, destroying home of these species, which poses a threat to the survival. Clear? Now second will be illegal hunting. What is the cause of the loss of the biodiversity? Illegal hunting. So up to this topic you have to read this chapter. Next topic we will start tomorrow. Up to this topic read chapter properly. Okay.